Hello everyone, this is Anan from anonmath channel. In this video, we're going to take a look at a simple but nice geometric problem. We're given this shape, and we know that the blue squares are congruent, the yellow line's length is 2, and we're supposed to use this information to find the area of the green squares. So that's what we're going to do in this video, so make sure to watch the rest of this video if you want to know what is the area of the green squares. And after that, if you enjoyed watching this video, click like and click subscribe. And if you didn't enjoy watching this video, click dislike and tell me in the comment section why you didn't like it. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is to suppose that the blue square has a side length of A, and since these two blue squares are congruent squares, that means that this one has to be A2. And then, let's say the bigger green square has a side length of B, and the smaller one has a side length of C. Now, one of the most important things that we know about squares is that all sides are the same. So that means that this one has to be B and this one has to be C. And then if you put these blue squares together, you get a rectangle. And we know that the opposite side of a rectangle has the same lengths, so that means that 2A, A plus A, is the same thing as B plus C. So 2A equals B plus C is the first equation that we can get out of this shape, assuming that the blue square has a side length of A, the bigger green square has a side length of B, and the smaller one, the other one, has the side length of C. Now, as we assumed, we know that the side length of the blue square is A, and that means that this side must be A2, and that means that since this part is C, that part must be A minus C. I hope that makes sense because, one part of a line is C and the whole part is A, so the other part must be A minus C. And we also know that this side must be A because that's a side of the blue square, so that means that we have a right triangle with side lengths of A minus C, and 2. And by using the Pythagorean Theorem, we can say that A squared plus A minus C quantity squared equals to 2 squared, or 4. And then we can go ahead and use the yellow equation, and we can divide both sides by 2, and we get A equals to B plus C divided by 2. Now if we replace A, the value of A, into the blue equation, we get something very nice. We get B plus C divided by 2 quantity squared plus B minus C divided by 2 quantity squared equals to 4. And then by expanding out these parentheses, we get b squared plus 2bc plus c squared plus b squared minus 2bc plus c squared divided by 4 equals 4. And then by simplifying this, we get 2b squared plus 2c squared divided by 4 equals 4. And then by multiplying both sides by 4, we get 2b squared plus 2c squared equals to 16. And then by dividing everything by 2, we get b squared plus c squared equals 8. And that's a very interesting equation. And I'm going to tell you why. But let me ask you one question. What was the goal of this video? It was finding the area of the green squares. But what is the area of the green squares? Since we assume that the bigger green square has a side length of B, so that means that the green square has an area of B squared, because the area of a square is simply the length of the square squared. And then we can say the same thing about the smaller one. The area of the smaller one is C squared. So basically, what we wanted to find is B squared plus C squared. And guess what? We already did. B squared plus C squared equals 8. So, this brings us to the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video. As I said before, if you enjoyed watching this video, if this video was helpful to you, click like and click subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment. Goodbye, and I will see you later in another video.